How to fix emoji keyboard not working on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you are fond of using emoji emoticons, reactions while you typed and you discover that the emoji keyboard is not working just like this, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix the emoji keyboards not working on your iPhone. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you found out that the emoji keyboard is not working is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, click on general, then click on software update. Now I want to search for available software update and make sure you update to the latest version available. So the first thing you want to do when you feel like a bug is on your device or the previous update came with bug, you want to check for another update and see if there is an update available. So if there is an update available, go ahead, install the update. Now, after installing the update, and you still cannot find the emoji keyboard on your iPhone, just like this. Now, this is what you need to do. Back to the settings on your iPhone, and on settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Again, under general, locate keyboard and then click on it. Now, under keyboard, I want to locate emoji and make sure stickers is turned on. Send stickers from the emoji keyboard. So if stickers is disabled, then you're definitely going to have access to the keyboard on your iPhone. But if stickers is enabled, then you have access to the emoji keyboard on your iPhone. So do not disable sticker. If you do, then emoji keyboard will be disabled. So just come to emoji and turn on sticker. Once turn on sticker on your iPhone, then you should see the emoji keyboard pops and you should be able to use it. You see that? At the same time, if you are using a third-party keyboard, make sure you change back to the iPhone keyboard first to confirm whether the emoji not working as you the third-party keyboard you are using. So if it is the third-party keyboard that you are using that is affecting the emoji, then you want to go ahead and uninstall it. But if both the third-party keyboard and the default keyboard on your iPhone are both working perfectly, now go ahead and turn on stickers under emoji on your iPhone keyboard settings. So that is basically how to fix emoji keyboard not working on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.